Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video, we will understand the role of pH balance in earth enhancing compounds and how it affects your earthing system. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we've been manufacturing a wide range of earthing and liking protection products, including earth rods, earth enhancing compounds, and other products for the last 30 years. You'll see our products installed in solar farms, data centers, commercial and residential projects in more than 100 countries around the world. So let's start with the basics. Why does pH matter in earthing compounds? The term pH stands for potential of hydrogen. In simple words, it tells you whether something is acidic, neutral, or alkaline, and the scale goes from 0 to 14, where 7 is neutral, below 7 means acidic, and above 7 means alkaline. So for an earth-enhancing compound, the safest range is close to neutral. Now this matters in earthing because your earth-enhancing compound stays in direct contact with your earth electrode for years. During installation, you mix the compound with water in the right ratio to prepare a slurry which looks like this. And this slurry has properties to retain water for a longer period, so your earth electrode stays in contact with moisture. This earth-enhancing compound slurry forms an electrolyte solution containing dissolved ions. These ions help conduct electrical current between the electrode and the surrounding soil. But the same electrolyte solution also decides how the electrode will react with its surroundings. If the solution stays close to neutral, the electrode remains safe. But if it becomes too acidic or too alkaline, it can start reacting with the metal electrode. This is why a pH of 7 plus or minus 1 is preferred. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. But what will happen if your compound is too acidic? When such a compound surrounds your copper or galvanized iron electrode, it creates an acidic environment around the metal. This matters because the compound is not sitting dry around the electrode. As you know, it mixes with the moisture and forms an electrolyte solution. In acidic conditions, this electrolyte solution starts electrochemical reactions on the electrode's surface. These reactions dissolve metal ions from the electrode into the surrounding compound. And in simple words, the metal slowly leaves the electrode's surface, and over time, this creates corrosion and it damages the electrode surface and reduces the service life of your earthing system. Next, let's discuss alkaline compounds. When alkaline compounds surround a copper or galvanized iron electrode, obviously it creates an alkaline environment around the metal. Copper forms a natural patina layer over time, and galvanized iron has a zinc coating. These layers act like a barrier between the metal and the surrounding alkaline compound. When the environment becomes highly alkaline, it will disturb these protective layers. In copper, it will affect the oxide film and patina that protect the surface. In galvanized iron, it will attack the zinc coating that protects the steel below. Once this barrier starts breaking down, the metal below gets exposed. This corrosion is slower than acidic corrosion, but it still reduces the life of your earthing system. Axifil Ultra is designed to solve these problems. When Axifil surrounds the electrode, the moisture will still mix with the compound and form an electrolyte solution. But because it has a pH level controller, it will maintain a neutral environment around the electrode. So even if the surrounding soil is uneven, the compound will create a safe zone around your earth rod. As a result, the electrode gets better contact with the soil, low electrical resistance, and better protection from corrosion. It obviously also supports conductivity through moisture and conductive fillers without attacking the electrode surface. The copper patina or zinc coating on galvanized iron remains stable, so the metal below does not get exposed. This improves the long-term life of your earthing system. I hope you now have a clear understanding of pH balance in earth-enhancing compounds. At Axis, we manufacture 3 different types of compounds for different soil conditions. We have a detailed video explaining the difference between the 3 compounds, and the link to that video is in the description. Always ensure that the selection and installation of earthing materials are carried out by trained and authorized professionals. At Axis, we have a team of over 50 engineers who can help you with choosing, applying, and testing these compounds. Our products are installed worldwide in solar farms, substations, data centers, factories, and even in everyday residential and commercial projects. But before you move on to the next video, make sure you know how to install the compound. To learn that, you can watch the video right here.